Hello kids, welcome back for yet another session of English learning, and today we are going to take up the next digraph, double E. As usual, you are to write date and write down classwork on top. In the second line, you will be writing sound of digraph, double E. Earlier we have done digraphs with the consonants, and now we are taking up the vowel digraphs. So sound of double E is E. E. Like single E gives sound F and double E gives sound E. A little bit longer sound. Let's start to write the words and understand how it gives the sound. The first word we have is starting with the T capital, R double E. Tree. This is the picture of tree, very useful in our life. Next word you will start to write is with the help of J capital, double E, G, P, P. This vehicle in red color is called Jeep. 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 Next word we have is starting with K capital. We will write K capital, double E and P, P. Keep. Keep. It is very important nowadays to keep distance. Next word starting with B capital, double E and P, P. Beep. Beep. Sound of a horn is called beep. Next word starting with D capital, D, double E, E, P. Deep. Deep. A man dived deep underwater. This is a deep hole. Next word starting with S capital, S sound, double E, N. Seen. I have seen a dancing doll. This is a dancing doll I have seen. Now starting with K, capital, K, giving K sound, double E, N. Keen. Keen. Boy is keenly watching the TV. Keen. Next word starting with F capital, double E, feet. 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 If one, it is foot. In pair, it's feet. After feet, start to write M capital, double E, T. Meet. Meet. We meet friends in the park. We attend Google Meet. This is the logo of Google Meet. Next word starting with R capital, write down double E, continue to make L like this. Reel. Reel. Here is the reel of film. Last word starting with F capital, double E, L. Feel. Feel. We feel with our skin. The boy is feeling cold. He is wearing warm clothes. Now repeat the words starting from the center. Write down tree, T capital, R double E. Tree. Complete the second line neatly. Thank you.